Very good evening, my dear students, and a warm welcome to this session. I welcome you all on India's largest online live learning platform by GradeUp. You are watching me live on this platform. My name is Rushi Joshi, and today we'll be discussing about the preparation strategy and the weightage analysis for the subject machine design. So this is what we'll be discussing, my dear friends. How are you all? Very good, my dear friends. Okay, so my dear friends, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Rushi Joshi. I have got around 16 plus years of experience in training aspirants who are preparing for competitive exam, my dear friends. I have mentored these many students all over India, and this is my gate score, my dear friends. The subject of my expertise are engineering, mechanics, strength of material, and machine design. These are the three subjects I deal for the students who are preparing for the competitive exam, my dear friends. Yes, Shekhar Sharma, very good evening. How are you? How are you, Shekhar? So, my dear friends, before I start, I would like to just announce a batch for you, that is Rank Up Get Mechanical, which is a fast track revision course for mechanical aspirants, my dear friend. Mechanical aspirants preparing for GATE 2021. And after a tremendous response in batch 1, we have started this batch 2. Along with me, you can see the topmost faculties who are dealing the subject in Rank Up Gate, which is a fast track revision course, my dear friends. The highlight of this course is you will be given around 300 plus hours of live classes, 3000 plus practice questions will be given to you, my dear friends. Study notes, mock tests are also provided, and a daily and a weekly test will be given to you, my dear friend. So if you have got any doubts, you can contact on this number 965 005 2904, or you can write the mail at help@gradeup.co. Yes, my dear friends, very good evening. So my dear friends, let's start with the session of preparation strategy and the weightage analysis of machine design, my dear friends. So machine design is one of the very important subject that is called as an application subject, my dear friend. That is called an application subject. That is called an application subject. Right. So before I start with the preparation strategy of machine design, let's see the weightage analysis first. Let's see the weightage analysis that is going on. So my dear friends, if you see 2019, 18, 17, 16, 15 in different sets, which were set 1 and set 2, almost 4 to 5 marks that you are getting in the every year machine design subject. Only just 2 marks, and 2010 6 marks. So from this I can say that it is an application subject. Machine design is an application subject. So compulsory we may expect some direct questions, and the weightage of this subject is around 5 to 7 marks. So my dear friends, if you are preparing for strength of material, compulsory do machine design also. Why? Because half of the machine design is, half of this will be, so my dear friends, you can see that half of the machine design mostly depends on your strength of material. How best you are at strength of material, definitely you can solve the problems of machine design very easily, my dear friends. There are some topics which are common for both, that is about the shaft, combined bending and torsion is same in machine design as well as in strength of material. Theories of failure are also there in strength of material and in machine design. The only difference is that in machine design they will talk about the factor of safeties, whereas in strength of material the question will be about the yield strength of the material based on the different theories of failure. So I welcome you all once again, those who are watching me on YouTube, Grade Up channel, my dear friends. So please download the Grade Up Super app so that you can get benefits of all the Grade Up Super on your mobile, my dear friends. So once again, a warm welcome to this session. We have just started with the weightage analysis of machine design in previous years. Is it clear, my dear friends? Any doubt in this? So weightage of this is a very small subject like engineering mechanics, but you can see that much of your time can be saved here. Why? Because there are most of the questions will be direct questions. There are most of the questions which are direct questions, my dear friends. So if I talk about the syllabus of this machine design, if I talk about the syllabus of machine design, it is almost same syllabus for ESC and GATE, my dear friend. First is design of static and dynamic load, failure theories, which is common for strength of material also, and machine design also, my dear friends. So we may expect a question either in strength of material or in machine design, my dear friends. Fatigue strength and the SN diagram, that is the dynamic loading, my dear friends. Cyclic loading, I can call it as cyclic loading, right? And principal design elements of bolted joint, riveted joint, welded joint, shaft, gears, bearings, brakes, clutches and spring are there in the syllabus of machine design, my dear friends. So my dear friends, you can see that the syllabus for mechanical machine design in GATE and ESC is almost same, and the weightage in both the examination will be around 5 to 7 marks, my dear friends. Now what are the major topics that we need to prepare? The major topics is compulsory we may expect a question on failure theory, either on factor of safety based on these two. So the question will be, they will be asking factor of safety based on the different theories of failure or based on the Soderberg line, Goodman line and Gerber curve, my dear friends, right? And Gerber curve. Hello Siddharth Patel, how are you? So my dear friend, this is what is compulsory question, you may get it here. Next is principle of design for bolted, riveted and welded joint. So my dear friends, compulsory there will be a question which is related to either a bolted joint, riveted joint or a welded joint. We may expect one question from here. So one question we may get in this. Shaft, gears, rolling contact bearing or sliding contact bearing. So my dear friends, in rolling contact bearing and sliding contact bearing, we can expect at least one question here from here. And you see that from clutches, brakes and spring, we can get one question, my dear friend, like this. Is it clear, my dear friends? So up to this, we'll be talking about the same thing what we have studied in our strength of material, about the different types of loading, the normal load and the shear stress, normal stress and the shear stress, in different types of application along with the dynamic loading or a cyclic loading. Yes, hello, how are you? Gokal Ramdas, so yes, multiple select questions are there. So that is multiple select questions where more than one option is correct. But the thing is that if you click all the options, then only you will get the marks. Otherwise, you will not get the marks. Suppose, for example, there are 3 options out of 4 which are correct. So you have to click all the 3 options, then only you will get marks. Otherwise, you will not get the marks in multiple select question. This is a new thing that has been added in GATE 2021, my dear friends. Is it clear, Gokul? So very Vipin Kumar, hello, how are you? So my dear friends, very fastly share with your friends so that they are also benefited with this, my dear friends. Any more doubts? So very fastly click the like button, share and subscribe, my dear friends, with your friends so that they are also benefited with this, my dear friends. And those who are watching me live on YouTube, I request them to please download the GradeUp Super app so that they will be getting all the benefits of GradeUp Super. Free classes, they can listen in that. Yes. If I talk about the strategy, but before that, if I see the reference books, Machine Design by Shigle, B.B. Bhandari and R.S. Kurmi are the books that we need to use it, my dear friends, for our preparation. Does production engineering and manufacturing process are covered in the same subject in Gear Up? Yeah, production engineering and manufacturing process is a complete syllabus. So it will be taken up in Gear Up also. Sachin, what is the question level of difficulty in machine design? Mostly easy one will be there. Easy questions will be there more than 80%. And 20% they are moderate. Moderate, there will be 20% questions which are moderate. Mostly how fast you are at calculator is important in machine design, my dear friend. Sir, in how many days required to complete this subject? So to complete this subject, listen the complete subject, it may take around 30 hours for you or for me to take the subject. After that, it depends upon your pace, how fast you are in solving the problems, so that you can do this subject very easily. Sir, can you please tell most preferable topic from MSQ can be asked? Mostly in theoretical questions, we may expect that. It may be from strength of material also. It may be from machine design also. It may be from manufacturing also. Means all the topics, there will be equal proportion. Questions will be there in multiple select question, my dear friends. Very good. Can we use Made Easy theory books? Vipin, so the topmost faculties are there with Grade Up, my dear friends. So you just listen the classes of this topmost faculty. That is more than enough, I can say. Why? Because we are very specific about the exam, that as per the exam pattern and the syllabus, we are very focused on that and we are discussing the topics of that nature itself. So no need to go anywhere else. Only that Grade Up theory classes will be, or classes taken up by the topmost faculty will be enough for you. So sir, what marks will be beneficial for GATE and it is possible in 5 months? Yes, Ajay, it is possible in 5 months that you can get into the GATE examination with a very good rank, my dear friends. But very specifically, you should focus on the syllabus. Don't go out of the syllabus of any subject, and very specific preparation should be done. That what are your favorite subject, that you need to decide first and then proceed for that, my dear friends. Is it okay? Yes, Sunil, it is possible. It is possible. Shekhar Sharma, we are also planning for this MSQ in machine design. We'll do that. Sunil, already we had a session for multiple select question in machine design also. Sunil, it is possible for cracking the GATE examination 4 months is sufficient. Yes, my dear friend, very specific. As I was telling you, you should be very focused. You should be very specific about the syllabus. You should be very specific about the concept and the questions which are being asked in the previous year GATE examination. Shekhar, is it okay? Very good. Okay, right, Ajay. So, so these are the books that we can refer it to have a clear idea on this. But my dear friends, the theory part which I am dealing in the class is more than sufficient. More than that, you don't require it. If you need any questions extra apart from that, definitely you can go for some books, my dear friends. Is it clear to all of you? Right. Now I will talk about the preparation strategy for this machine design, my dear friends. Namaste, Saho. How are you? Which data book is good for use for us? I want to something extra like open book type questions. Nirakar, generally the questions in the GATE examination are very specific. You don't require any data book for that. Is it clear now? Very specific questions are there. Direct all the values will be given to you in the question. No need to search for any question in the data book, and you will not be provided with the data book in the examination also. Right? CSC का कोई आज live session. Gaurav, you can just check it out on our app whether it is there or not. Ashwin, okay, no problem. So, my dear friends, if I talk about the strategy, the very first thing what I want to say is that the prerequisite is strength of material and engineering mechanics. Prerequisite is your engineering mechanics and strength of material that we need to do it before you start with machine design, my dear friends. So you should complete your engineering mechanics, all the topics, as well as strength of material. Then only we can go for machine design. Is it clear now? So next is go through the syllabus thoroughly. In which we can expect the questions on theories of failure, which already we have done in strength of material, but here factor of safety will be the question asked. You will be getting a question on Soderberg line, Goodman line, and Gerber curve. So mostly you will be getting a question on this two only. Why? Because of the time limit, right? So you may get one more question on SN curve also. So from these three topics, we may expect one question. You will compulsory get it. Is it clear now? These are the three topics that you will be getting. Okay. So already I am Shubham. Already I am maintaining social distancing, so no need to worry about the mask, right? Now, my dear friends, after this, you may expect one question on joints, either from welded joint, riveted joint, bolted joint, and all. Next, you will be getting one question from either gears or shaft or bearings. And one more question we can expect from clutches, either from clutch in 1 year or from spring in 1 year or from brakes in 1 year. So these are the possible questions that every year we may get it. So one question from first topic, static and dynamic analysis, one question from joints, one question from either gear, shaft or bearing, and one question from clutches, springs and bearings, brakes, my dear friends. Right? So my dear friend, this is what we need to focus here, right? So after this, now you see that we should focus more on options. So focus on options rather than solving the problem completely. Rather than solving completely, my dear friends, rather than solving completely. Why? Because in machine design, I call it as a jackpot questions, because you don't require to solve the total problem completely. Before that only you can understand that yes, A is correct or B is correct or C is correct or D is correct. So in most of this one you will be getting the clear idea that which option is correct. Is it clear now? Very good. So my dear friends, the next requisite for machine design is about the calculation part. So how fast you are at calculator definitely will give you the answer very fastly in machine design. Is it clear now? So what is that calculation? For example, if you see the calculation that you have done in your intermediate, that is 11th and 12th standard, so which were very easy and you used to, right? So my dear friends, you should be fast enough in calculation. That is what I want to say. So rather than using the scientific calculator that you are using in 4 years of engineering, you go with the online calculator which is there. Download it from the GATE website, so that practice the questions based on that. That is what. So you should be fast enough in solving the problem. So fastness is required to solve the problem. The next important thing here is, my dear friends, units. So units, that we need to use it for the proper parameters. So my dear friends, maximum problem goes wrong because of the unit. For example, if I talk about the Sommerfeld number in bearing, which is equal to Zn by P d by C whole square. Is it clear now? This is what the formula, my dear friends. And Nirakar, about the open book, I am not that aware, so I cannot give you the clear idea about that. Sir, I know that it is out of syllabus, but I want to know about that. Nirakar, I am not aware of that much, so that I cannot comment on this. Okay? Very good, my dear. Joints and gears and shaft. Gokul, from joints, that is welded joint, riveted joint and bolted joint, we may expect one question, right? Gear, shaft and bearings, we may expect one question. Okay. Yes, it is very easy. So my dear friend, the Sommerfeld number is this, where this Z should be substituted in Pascal second. Your N should be in RPS, revolutions per second. Your P should be in Newton per meter square, right? And your D is the diameter, either you take it in mm, and this clearance is you take it in mm or meters. No harm by, because it is a ratio. So my dear friends, you see here that in examination, in question paper, this will be given, Z will be given in mostly millipascal second. So we need to convert into Pascal second. N will be given in RPM. So we need to convert into RPS. And P is not given. What is given? W is given to you in Newton. L and D are given. Length and diameter are given in mm. So my dear friends, your P is equal to W by L into D, which you get it in Newton per mm square. You need to convert into Newton per meter square. So like this, you go on wasting your time if you don't properly substitute it. Is it clear now? So it will go wrong. Maximum chances that you will do mistake here and you will do mistake in calculation. These are the only two reasons in machine design that our answer will go wrong, my dear friends. Is it okay? Right. So is it clear, my dear friends? These are the two major things that we need to understand. Why? Because major contribution in our questions going wrong is our calculation, because we are not doing it properly. And second is units, that we are not substituting, because we don't have habit of seeing for the units. Directly whatever is given we substitute, and whatever we get we click the answer. Is it clear now? Option will be available, my dear friends, don't worry. All the options, whatever mistakes you do, is available in the option. So my dear friends, be careful while substituting the units, my dear friend. This is what is very, very important in GATE as well as ESC point of view. Any doubt, my dear friends? Is it clear to all of you? So very fastly click the like button and share with your friends also, my dear friends. Those who are watching me live on this, right? Don't forget to share and subscribe. Also press the bell icon, my dear friends. Is it okay to all of you? Very good, my dear friends. Come on, cheer up. Any doubts? Right. If you don't have any doubts, then I will take a leave by explaining you about this Gear Up Gate Mechanical, my dear friends. It is a Gear Up Gate Mechanical is a concept building program for the aspirants who are preparing for GATE 2021, my dear friend. Those who are preparing for 2021 GATE as third year students are also allowed to write the GATE examination from this year. So my dear friend, this is the best course for those mechanical aspirants, those who are in third year, called as a Gear Up Mechanical. So you can see that along with me, other topmost faculties, Harshit Agarwal sir, Chandrasekhar sir, Dheeraj Sardana, Balaji sir are there to deal the topics of their expertise, my dear friends. So you can just have a free trial. So Vikas sir, most probably by Monday, Ashwin, he will take that class. So my dear friends, in Gear Up Mechanical, you see around 350 plus hours of live classes will be given to you. 3,200 plus questions will be practice questions will be there. 75 study notes, 75 plus study notes will be given to you. Mock test will be given to you, my dear friends, and a subject wise test is also given to you. And my dear friends, it is based from basics. It is a concept building course for mechanical engineers or aspirants who are preparing for GATE 2021. So my dear friends, any more doubts you got it? Right. So if you don't have any doubts, then I will take a leave, my dear friends. Please take care of yourself. Don't forget to be in tune with Grade Up so that you can get all the unlimited access for all the structured live courses and the mock test, my dear friends, for your wonderful super settlement of the life, my dear friend. Is it clear now? So take care of yourself, stay at home, stay healthy, my dear friends. Thank you. Vipin, there are few questions. Good night. Vipin, there are few classes which are already free, but in detail, if you want, definitely you need to subscribe for this Grade Up Super, my dear friends. Okay, don't forget to press the bell icon, my dear friends. Share with your friends also, and don't forget to subscribe this video, my dear friends. Thank you. Good night.